Pranali, I taught you the fifth poem, that is the letter, and I already given the homework, that is you have to write letter to your mama in your words, but I didn't get that homework till now, so you have to send it. Now we will solve the question answers. See, open the page number on 48 of our English textbook.
Question first. Who is the poet writing a letter? Who is the poet writing a letter to? The poet writing a letter to her dearest mummy. Why does the poet's pen travel slowly? She wants to keep the letter neat. What is blotting paper? Why do we use a blotting paper? See, blotting paper is soft thick paper used for drying ink after one has written something on a piece of paper. Now next, how many kisses does the poet give to her mother? 10 is the right option. See, what does the poet do after envelope is ready? She put the stamp on and run to the post box. Read these lines carefully. I am writing a letter to send by the post. It is to the person I care the most. The underlined words, these are the rhyming words, post and most. You have to write rhyming words from this poem in this box. See, I already give this activity to you. Write a letter to your mother thanking her for all she has done for you. Address, your address, date, dear mummy, and start like that. Dear mummy, I am writing this letter to say thank you because you are doing everything for me and take care of me, at the same time our family. And add some your own sentences. You are affectionately, here you have to write your name in short. Okay, now next, reading and writing skill, although 8. This is a grammar part we will see in deep in the grammar session. Here we see shortly. Okay, see, read the sentences. Although Anu was small, yet she wrote a letter. Although Anu was small, she wrote a letter. Anu wrote a letter although she was small. Important. Although can be placed either at the beginning of the sentence towards the end. Okay. It can be used with although but not necessarily. Next, match means although we can use at the starting of the sentence, and it comes with although but it is not necessary. Means we can skip to write the 8. Okay, see, match the following. He got up in time means although he got up in the time 8, he was late for the office. Although the car had a puncture at although they reached in time. The children went to the zoo, yet they could not see many animals. Although it is raining heavily, yet the boys are in the park. Although she is very young, yet she knows how to post a letter. See, complete these sentences. Although the bag was heavy, we have to add our own sentences. You can change these sentences. I am going to give you some examples only. Although the bag was heavy, yet he carry it easily. Although he can't swim, yet he jumped into the pool. Although he lost his money, yet he don't worry. Although he is late, yet he went to the circus. Although it was a difficult paper, yet I will try to solve it. Although he wake up late, yet he reached in time. Fill in the blanks using although and yet. Now you understood how to use it. So start with although. Although the tortoise was slow, yet he won the race. Like this you have to complete remaining. Understood? Read these sentences. You have to read. The room is very untidy. Un here gives us opposite to the word tidy. It is impossible to talk to him. Im here gives the opposite of the word possible. Means in short we can say that using un or im we can write the opposite words for a particular words, like tidy, untidy, possible, impossible. Like I will give you the list remaining words. Okay. Now students, you have to complete this homework in textbook as well as in notebook and send me the photocopy. Thank you.